This video tutorial I will explain setRawOffset method of TimeZone class which accept new TimeZone offset. Here I have defined a class TimeZone demo. Here I have created TimeZone object. Then I am calling getRawOffset method of TimeZone object and displaying the offset value. Then I am calling setRawOffset method of TimeZone object and passing the new offset value. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.